Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the feature. Open Settings and go directly to Smart Split or Floating Window, then toggle it on. Make sure you grant display over apps permission, otherwise the float won't appear. Also, turn off restrictive battery optimization for that app so the window stays active. Once done, pick the app you plan to float. Not every app supports floating windows, so check compatibility now to avoid interruption later. Next, get the window open. From the recent screen, tap the app icon and pick Floating Window or Smart Split. That's the most reliable route. If you're inside the app, try the edge swipe or the three-finger gesture. Different Vivo models vary. When the window appears, drag it to reposition and pinch or drag corners to resize. Make sure to use the app's floating controls to dock, minimize, or close. This prevents accidental exits while you work. To finish, customize how the floating window behaves. Go to Settings Floating Window and set Auto Hide, Transparency, and Notification behavior so it fits your workflow. If it fails to open, restart the phone first. Often that clears temporary issues. If problems persist, update the app, clear its cache, and re-grant display over app's permission. Finally, make sure your FunTouch or Origin OS is updated. System update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.